Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an everyday makeup look with just a few products, and this right here is my everyday wear makeup bag. So let's get started. Now first things first, I'm using an Urban Botanics moisturizer for my face. Next, I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. Next, I'm using the Sephora foundation and I'm in the shade 31. This is a very lightweight foundation, so I just put a little bit all over my face and then blend it using the beauty blender. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fitme concealer. Then I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline, just a little bit, and with the beauty blender I'm just going to set it under my eye. And just take as little product as possible to make it look natural. Next, I'm using this brow defining pencil by Faces. Next, I'm using this color wheel by Kryolan, and it has all these shades, and with this copper color I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow shade. And then to blend this, I have these brushes that I use. It has 3 kinds of brushes. And then I'm just going to blend the edges. Next, I have this eye pencil by Faces, and I'm going to use it as a liner and a little bit of a kohl on the outer corners. And then with this brush, I'm just going to extend it so that it gives the look of a winged eyeliner. Next, I'm using this Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. And I'm not going to put false eyelashes for this look today because this mascara itself adds a lot of volume. And next, I'm using this NYX lipstick, and this is in the shade Monte Carlo. This is a really nice light pink sort of a color, and you can also apply this as a blusher. And again with the Kryolan Color wheel, I'm taking this golden color and I'm going to use this as a highlighter. I also like to use this Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette for my everyday looks. It has all these natural tone shadows. And lastly, I'll be using this NYX Matte Finish Makeup Fixing Spray, and it just really melts all the makeup together and makes it long lasting, of course. And by the time it dries, I'm just gonna go fix my hair and be right back. In the meantime, if you're new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button for more such videos. And here it is, the final look of my everyday wear makeup glam. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit that like button, and you can also check out some of my other videos.